We're still in earnings season, and today we'll be looking at Marriott Hotels and Caesars Entertainment. Even though the main headline around the world is Russia invading Ukraine and the conflict, which has affected prices of energy, equity, fixed income, and all that all over the world. However, we will continue on our earnings and revenue declaration. So Caesars Entertainment and Marriott Hotel declared their earnings, and they said booking is up, recovery is good. Their revenue is actually 4.45 billion, while what was estimated was 3.9 billion. The EPS is $1.30 versus 0.95 that was estimated. They are not back at pre-COVID level, but business is good and they are doing well. That of Caesars Entertainment, the revenue is 2.59 billion. Estimated was 2.54 billion. The EPS is $1.13 versus 0.97, and it's up 78.5% up. The price is up about 2%. That of Marriott, the price is already up by about 3%. Both companies are doing well. They've declared good earnings. Let's have a look at Caesars Entertainment and Marriott Hotels balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow. Let us see how liquidity they have. Let us see if they are taking too much debt than necessary, or it will give us a guide to see how both of them are standing on the balance sheet. And we'll also have a technical look at the technical chart to see price action, even though the prices have been affected by, the technical chart has been affected by the Russia and Ukraine conflict, which it has affected all prices anyway, all technical charts. However, we will still have a look at them to see where they both stand on the chart, and if price action will tell us anything that we didn't see on their balance sheet. So we are looking at Marriott International. Marriott International, the market is open, so it's 172.91. The volume traded is 2.38 million. The market value is 55 billion. The shares outstanding is 326.31 million. The EPS is $3.34, and the P ratio is 51. That's a bit high anyway. But then let's look at the financial statement. On the financials, what I like to see is the total liability, but let's look at the income statement. 2016 is 17 billion, 2017 20 billion, 2018 20 billion. It shows that, but 2020, see, very significant. It was half down. That's because of lockdown, I suppose. Let's have a look at the balance sheet. On the balance sheet, what I like to see is the total liability. The total liability. Let's see if they are taking a lot of debt. See how their total liability here shows 24.2 billion. Wow, 24.2 billion. But let's see their free cash flow. That will be under cash flow statement. The free cash flow will tell us if their liquidity, if they have a cash, this is like a cash that you can do anything, and you can do investment, you can do anything, absolutely anything. They have 1.5 billion, not a lot compared to their debt, not a lot, but they still have cash. They have cash flow. So let's have a look at Caesars Entertainment. Caesars Entertainment is $85.11. Volume traded is 2.85 billion. Market value is 18 billion. Is less than Marriott International. Shares outstanding is 2.13 million. At the moment, they're not making money because the EPS is negative. The P ratio not even applicable here. So let's look at their financials. The income statement 2016, 2017, 2016 less than a billion, 1.4 billion, 2 billion, 2.5 billion, and 2020, wow, 3.4 billion. Let's see their total liability.
the total liability. Let's say if they are incurring a lot of debt, um, that will also tell us, how if they are in serious debt, also compared to their free cash flow. They have 31.3 billion in debt. It even well, the difference is between the 2019 and 2020. So the lockdown effect, maybe they took a lot of loan or a lot of borrowings. You can actually drill down to check all that. But for now, what I want to see is their free cash flow. So let's have a look at their cash flow statement. Let's see if they have a lot of liquidity, a lot of cash flow in their system, um, on on their balance sheet. Let's see. Free cash flow, free cash flow. Their free cash flow, wow, it's negative, negative, negative. So let's have a look at the chart. But this is a much more professional chart. You won't be able to see candle, price action there and all that. So let's have a look on the Momo chart. We are looking at Marriott International. Marriott International is trading at 173 currently. Um, it is actually sitting, it's on, we're trading above 100-day moving average, above 50-day and 20-day moving average. 20-day moving average is sitting as a support for this candle. Um, Yesterday, this was a bullish reversal from the correction as of yesterday. So today we have another green candle. It is significant. This candle, by the end of today, if it closes in green, then it confirms this bullish reversal. Let's look at it on a weekly chart. On a weekly chart, first, let me draw this. It shows that it's an upward trend stock, an upward trend, and the resistance here is holding. There's a resistance here and is holding. No, my mouse is about to. Okay, I have issue with my mouse here. Okay, let's go back on a daily chart. Okay. Um, yes, 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 yes. Stop doing this. Okay. This is on a daily chart, but you can see there's a resistance here. The same resistance is on a weekly chart. Let's see if my mouse will allow me to draw resistance here. Good. Perfect. Okay. So you have it here. However, by the end of trading day today, if this green candle, if this one closes, one that is sitting on the 20-day moving average closes as green, then it confirms the bullish reversal. Let's have a look at um, Caesar Entertainment. Caesar Entertainment. Caesar Entertainment. Come up, come up, come up. Caesar Entertainment. Caesar Entertainment. Let me just look at it in the list here then. Caesar Entertainment. Wow. What exactly is happening to my Caesar? My network seems to be a bit on the slower side today. Caesar Entertainment. Great. Sorry about that, guys. Caesar Entertainment is trading at $85.400. But you can see a similar chart. There's resistance here. I think I did this earlier when I was looking at the chart. But let me take this off. So you can see there's a resistance there. Come on. Yes, yes, this line will be not drawing after the division. Okay, good. Yes. Come on. Good. There's a resistance here. This candle. This is the bullish reversal candle. There's on many other stocks that I've seen the last 24 hours. Is a bullish reversal. This looks like a pin. Yeah. By the time this candle closes after the trading is still on, if it closes, it confirms this bullish reversal. You know, for bullish uh, upward movement. For those trading on a good traders, this is very important. For long-term investors as well. Yeah, you can use it to to the signal to buy for a long time, but you need to wait for this candle to end up in green. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. This is the entertainment. Wow, fantastic. You can see it. It's same because it's a weekly chart, meaning that this candle need to end in green today being Friday 25th. So that is when it will confirm. 5 candles makes 1 week. So what you see there as of yesterday and today is still here on this candle. So by the end of trading day today, and this candle remains green, then it's a confirmation of the bullish reversal on a weekly chart. On a weekly chart. Yes. So let's have a look at the daily chart again. Yeah, this is it on the daily chart. The same resistance you saw there is actually here too. You can see. Perfect.
We have seen the balance sheet, we have seen the income statement. Do your valuation. Be sure these stocks are good for you before you go on any of them. Make sure to check if they suit your portfolio. I don't have any of these stocks on my portfolio. I'm not even looking to add any of it to my portfolio. Do your valuation. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you for subscribing. We will continue to produce content that would support your investment journey. Thank you. Please call again.